Chalo, okay.
Chalo. All the best.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye bye. All the best. ठंड नहीं होएगा.
Okay. जय माता दी.
जय माता दी.
এলা বকবাস করে না থাক, নর্থ ইস্ট দেখা।
So this is the Bogibeel bridge, which is about almost 5 kilometers, almost like 4.9 or 4.7. This is against the Brahmaputra river. You can see like how wide it is. I mean, I can't even see almost at the end of that road. Recently inaugurated in 2018 by PM Modi, and it's the first, I think, the longest rail I think train bridge. I think probably can't see it from here. Yeah, there is a train line goes down below. The 5th largest bridge in the India. This is amazing. This side is almost like level grounds. If you see this side, all the mountains are actually on this side. So we are going towards that side only, like all the mountains, but we are going towards Pasighat, and from then I think we will go up. So this is the, I think, first stretch we did about 100 kilometers, not even 100, I think 50 kilometers.
We'll ride. We'll stop for
Lunch, yeah. You'll be ahead, I'll be behind. So this is the place where we got our I think the ILP. It's about 50 rupees per person. We got like for 3 person. It was on the same document. You have to get it, though there are like they don't really stop you in the borders, but it's better if you have it, because in somewhere in the Arunachal people might ask. So we got our ILP. We were hungry as well. We even got the petrol. That petrol pump is actually just on the border, and we got it for like 9 rupees less, because Arunachal it's like 69 rupees per liter, and in Assam it is 78 or something. So, and now we'll be heading towards Arunachal. The first thing we'll be doing is having lunch. I like the sound, man. I like the exhaust. Okay, we didn't find a proper hotel, but we found something like chickens roasted actually on the side of the road. We'll try this. I think there is no rice also. You are hungry as fuck, so something to eat. You see those like trees and all. It looks like some from that movie. It's not like the other trees. Like it's straight up. And yeah, correct. now I can get the reference why you guys were saying King Kong. It's like super dark, though it's only like 5:30. Bit cold, but not that much. I think another 20 kilometers to go. They just closed the shop. You know what time it is? It's just 5:30, and it's like crazy dark. Can't see anything. The shop just closed. Wow. How many more kilometers, Sharat?
20.
Yay.
What an hour? 1 hour 6 minutes for it.
1 hour 6 minutes.
It's like crossing Silk Board, man.
Yeah.
Not getting
Yeah.
over it all. It's still there.
But I'm happy there is no traffic though. I mean, the bad roads, like it's like super bad. I think probably you've seen in the footage. But the small ones, you don't really feel much on the Dominar at all. I'm really kind of comparing it to the Himalayan. It's as good as that. I mean, like, you can't really say as good as that, but it's almost close. You don't, I mean, compared to Duke, this is like a heavenly feel, even for the pillion. Last bit of battery, 1%. So reached Aalo. Aalo. Shit.
Aalo.
So Sharat is sorting out the rooms. Okay. Place is good. We rode the last, I think, almost 20, 30 kilometers.
Not 20, yeah, 30 kilometers.
30 kilometers, like off-road, crazy off-road though, like, but with that visibility and I didn't know wherever it was like slippery, I was simply going there, so it didn't slip. Probably if it is in my mind, then would have been slip.
Yeah. Do you want to have some snacks now or do you want to eat food?
I think we'll eat food. Yo! Yes, let's go.
Whoa, you have the t-shirt. No, nice.
Nice. So today's ride was from Dibrugarh to Aalo. This is the place where we are actually staying today. I just had dinner and like it's I think around almost 8. It's like almost like 10 in Bangalore. So we'll be starting early because today I think it was because we had to start start late because we had to get the permit done, and the permit won't be open early morning. So the most of the time actually spent only riding, and we only like could take one break where we had like flew the drone and stuff. The other breaks were not really at a nice place where we can actually like fly the drone. So tomorrow will be very nice roads, which I actually just saw in the maps. It's like all like winding roads. So Shara said this actually it's really nice, and we could stop like enough places. So tomorrow we'll start early around 6:30 and then reach Menchuka like aram se, but we'll take more breaks. So that's it for the today. Bye bye Anu. Bye bye.